Today I'm doing a twist out. Don't mind the glasses. I'm using a foam, and here's the product. I'm using this to twist my hair. Let's get to it. I have my little fine tooth comb. Smooth it here. The hair feels pretty good. Feels smooth. I see that. Juicy twist. I'm gonna break this section into two because it just feels like it needs to be two sections, two separate twists. When you're doing a twist out, you gotta make sure that hair is smooth so you get a pretty good twist out. These are they, and I think they look pretty good. Some people do wash and goes with this, but you can do a roller set, you can do a flexi rod set, you can do whatever you want to do with this. I'm just gonna twist this side, and I will be back with the other side finished, and we'll go sit under the dryer, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. After I've worked out and everything. Yeah, because I work out at 9 a.m. with the coach on Mondays, and it will be Monday tomorrow. Today's Sunday, May the 16th. Look at that, y'all. Look at how that makes the hair. So I could get away with wearing a wash and go, but just in case y'all want to, do it, try it with the foam. You may like it. I'm going to leave this about that big. I like the way my twist look though. Looks pretty good. If you wonder what kind of comb this is a black diamond, and this is a heat resistant comb. When I'm twisting, I'm smoothing my hair down as I go. To the ends, just twirl those little ends around your finger, and voila. Okay, it's my little twist. I'm going to go and do the other side, and I will see you in a little bit. I forgot to tell y'all something. I decided to twist my hair with foam because of Jennifer Rose. She said do a twist out with some foam, so that's why I went out and bought the Nairobi foam, just so you guys will know. Let me get back to finishing up this side, and I'll see you in a little bit. This is how my twists are looking. Hey, they feel really good, feel soft and juicy. Y'all know, y'all saw this side. I did this side on camera. I didn't do this side on camera. And I parted this a little bit different, kind of at a diagonal. This is how I look. Look at that, y'all. Look at that gray. It's pretty. This is the back of my hair. I'm finna get this over here. I always miss a little piece of hair right here. It never fails. Even when I do a wash and go, I done missed it. I be wondering, why is that one dry and everything else is curly? Oh, see? Oh, let me get this. My next step is to go and sit under the dryer to let this twist set dry. I am feeling this twist set. I think it's gonna look really, really good. It's gonna feel good, and it's just gonna be a bomb twist out. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's the next day. I'm about to take down my hair. I worked out around 9 something with this on my head. Okay, this is about as much as I'm gonna go as far as taking it down. I will, however, get my pick. It's not crunchy. I do feel a little stickiness on my fingers, but at least I know it's from the actual foam that's holding my hair together. This turned out very good. It's not weighed down. It's not oily. It's just right. Look at that. Go in here. Lift it in the back here. And yeah, I don't know how it looks in the back. I'm just going by how it feels. But I know in the back I should have had a twist in the middle at the base here. I like it. I like it. It's very moisturized, y'all. Y'all know I use the Redken leave-in conditioner. I never twisted with foam before, and I like the outcome. My hair feels soft. It's not weighed down. It doesn't feel oily. A little bit sticky though, probably because I went ham with the foam. I have a lot of shine, and the most important thing is that it feels so good, silky, soft, smooth. All right, I'm gonna do a back look. I don't know how it looks because I have not looked in the mirror. This is freestyle. So if it doesn't look good in the back, y'all know what's up. This is my twist out using nothing more than foam as my styling product with a little bit of the Redken leave-in conditioner. That's it. Today is May the 18th, 2021. It is Tuesday. Here is my hair on the third day. So I guess it's not too bad. It still feels good. It's soft. It's not dried out, so to speak, but a couple more days, look at that. It will be like dried out. I want to pop in here on the vertical and show y'all what's going on, okay? I took my little Afro pick, power to the people, and I picked my hair out a little bit to give it some lift. And I do like it big and kind of wild, and yeah, that's just me. I do have some other foams in my stash, so I will be experimenting with those, and I'll see you. All right, peace. It is May the 19th, and it happens to be Wednesday. This is how my hair is looking, and yes, I did retwist it because it was just getting a little bit too frizzy for me, and I don't like to go to bed with my hair every which way, so I put it in some twists. You guys will see that little picture because I'm gonna pop it up. But yeah, this is what I got. I retwisted it. I just took it down. I won't be, what in the world is this? Oh, that's a hole. I'm sorry. I'm meek but mighty. I like it better this way than the way it was. I didn't put any more product on my hair. I just retwisted my hair when I was sitting down watching TV, and this is what I got after taking it down. Now, I don't know how the back looks. Kind of feel a little cray-cray, but I'm gonna turn around and let you see it. Okay? So that's what I'm working with today. I'll see you when I see you. If you want to see more videos, you know what to do. Click those videos on the end screen, and I'll see you in the next video.